सर्व सद्गुण संपन्ना गीता भक्ति परायणा भवितुं जीवनेऽस्माकं जागृता बालका वयम् उत्थाने राष्ट्रधर्मस्य विज्ञानदृष्टिमाशिता विवेकानन्द मार्गेण वयं सर्वे समर्पिताः।
Here, take your coffee.
Thank you so much.
Kapil!
This time I want a tab.
Yes.
But
Kapil!
Dad did not gift me one. But
Yes,
he can gift me
Babuji.
on my birthday.
I
Then
am your
will plan
father.
to visit
At
me
least
on
look
my
at me.
birthdays next month.
Babuji, why are you yelling so much? What if somebody hears you?
Hear me? Who will hear me? Except you, nobody can hear me.
That's the problem.
What did you say?
No. I meant to say, what's the problem now, Babuji?
This Amay
Okay, uncle.
is
as you
talking
say.
on the phone since 1 hour. Why don't you make him understand?
What should I make him understand? That he shouldn't talk to his uncle?
You are an idiot. I am not saying that don't talk on the phone. But talking on the mobile for so long time is not good for eyes and not also good for ears. The radiation increases during the call.
Okay. I will tell him. Amay! You're talking too long on the phone. It's enough now. Keep it. Come on.
Okay, uncle. I'll talk to you later. Huh? Bye.
Listen, son. It's not good to talk on the phone for so long because during the call, the radiation of the phone increases, which is not at all good for our health.
But what if we want to talk something urgently? How will we talk?
Oh, yes. How will we talk? How will we talk?
On speaker or headphones.
Yes, through speaker or headphones, so it doesn't cause any damage to us.
Okay, Papa. I'll definitely take care in future.
Yes. Okay, son. Now go. By the way, how did you know all this, Babuji?
I am not duffer. I watch news and always be updated.
Papa, whom are you talking to?
With your grandfather.
What?
No. I mean, I was remembering your grandfather, son.
I wish Grandpa was around us today.
24/7 he is with us.
What?
No. I meant to say that his blessings are always with us, son. Come on. Come. Let's have food. And then I will read you a story and then we will go to sleep.
Okay, Papa.
Madam, your cylinder.
Yes, keep it inside. How much for this?
700 rupees.
Hey, Duffer. See what your daughter is doing there.
What is she doing?
Here you go.
Thank you.
She's just taking the cylinder.
I had already told you, when a stranger comes to a house, how to open the door and how to check the cylinder before taking.
Yes, you had told me.
So when will you teach them?
Just right away. Excuse me. Divya, did you check the cylinder?
Yes, its safety cap is okay. And tell me, what else to check?
You have to remove the safety cap and check if there is no leakage. Just wait. Come this side. Here. First of all, you have to remove the seal and then remove the safety cap. Now just watch. With the help of the shampoo water, we will check the cylinder. There's a leakage here. Sir, give me another cylinder.
Take this, sir.
Okay, let's check this also. This is perfect. Thank you. You can go.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much.
Divya, did you check the expiry date of the cylinder?
Cylinder is not a medicine, Papa. It does not have an expiry date.
Of course it does have. See, what is written here? A23. It means that after March 2023, this cylinder will expire. At the same place, B, C and D will be also there. A, B, C, D is divided into 3 months of the year. A means from January to March. B means from the month of April to June. C means from the month of July to September. And D means?
October to December.
Correct. Now tell me, what should you do when somebody rings the doorbell?
You have to open the door. What else?
But you can only open the door when you very well know who is the person standing outside. Listen, dear. When somebody rings the doorbell, then first of all, you should watch them through the magic eye. Then with the safety chain, open the door and peek. And when you are confirmed that you know the person in front of you, then you should open the door. Look, dear. For your own safety, in near future, do not trust anybody so easily.
Okay, Papa.
Come.
You should never trust strangers. Make children aware of dangers related to strangers. And when you are alone, kindly avoid using deserted roads. Safety is very important not only outside but everywhere. Even if it is our lovely home, do not think that you are at home, then you don't need safety. In fact, safety and alertness is more important in the house because if you are out, anyone can help you. But if a person or anything from outside creates casualty in house, then it can cause a lot of damage to you.
Where is this smell coming from?
Oh no, he started again. I don't smell anything.
I can smell it. It's coming from the kitchen. The gas is leaking. Go and check it. Go and check it.
Yes. Pratibha? Pratibha?
Yes?
What is this, Pratibha? You just kept the milk to boil on the gas and went outside? The gas was leaking. Are you even aware that this could have been fatal?
Sorry, I actually completely forgot.
Oh my god, whenever you make something on the stove, please stay here and don't go anywhere. It was good that Babuji smelled it.
Babuji?
I mean, if he would have smelled it, that's why even I would. It is good that I came here first and immediately switched off the knob.
Sorry.
Never mind. But in near future, take care. Oh, thank God. Babuji saved us today.
In our daily life, if we are creating small carelessness, one day it will get us in big trouble. Like using mobile phones while cooking, not wearing the right clothes while cooking, not using the right utensil, keeping perfumes and deodorant in the kitchen. You should always unplug all the electronic devices when the work is done. Gas pipeline and heating lines should be inspected time to time, and especially while going out of the house, electricity and gas should be switched off from the main switch, because even our single mistake can cause major accident in our house. So it is very necessary to be careful about these kind of things.
Hey, you typewriter.
I'm not a typewriter. I'm a writer.
You are a typewriter. Who is typing my story and selling it in the market?
So what do you expect? Should I sell our land which is in our village?
What did you say?
No. Nothing. Why don't you come to the point and tell me what do you want to say?
The point is, it's already 8 o'clock and your daughter Divya hasn't reached home.
She will come, Babuji.
Now ask Pratibha to call Divya's friend and ask about her.
Pratibha, Divya is very late today. Did she inform that she will come late?
No,
So then why don't you call her friends and ask about her?
but I don't have her friends' numbers.
Don't you think that we should have our children's friends' numbers?
Usually she comes back by 6 o'clock, so I also did not bother. It must be Divya.
How come you are so late today, Divya?
Yes, Papa. Actually, after the coaching class, I directly went to Neelam's house, so I got late.
Okay, no problem.
Your children are growing up. Where they are going, what are they doing? You don't even bother about this. You are just busy on this laptop. Go and tell your wife. Along with her work, pay attention to your children also. Tell her to become their friends.
I will tell her. Listen, Pratibha, Babuji was telling...
Babuji?
I mean to say, Babuji used to tell that when the kids grow up, then their parents should become their friends. And you see, our children are growing up. Until now, you had the responsibility of a mother, and now a friend also. So now it's time to teach your friend too what is good for them and what is bad for them. Do remember that the safety of our children is our responsibility. And we also have to teach them to protect themselves.
I understood. If somebody sees you laughing alone like this, they will think you are mad.
Shut up. You're not on Friends book, no? That's why you are saying this.
I didn't get you.
You won't tell it to anyone, no?
No, I won't.
Come here. See this.
But how did you make an account on Friendsbook before turning 18?
Listen, Duffer. Friends book does not ask you for any ID proof. You just have to make 13 to 18. See, I have 430 friends in friends list. You know, there are a lot of my school friends here. And see this. This is Arman, my best friend. Isn't he cute? Should I make an account for you also on Friendsbook?
No, let it be.
Okay.
Kids, you haven't slept yet?
Papa, Amai had some science project. We were searching some pictures for him. Right, Amai?
Yes.
Okay, no problem. Complete your project fast and then go to sleep. Hmm?
Okay.
Okay, then good night.
Good night, Papa. Didi, where are you going right now?
It's Neelam's birthday, but I really don't understand what to wear. Mummy? How is this dress? It's very pretty. Come sit here with me. I know, Mama. I won't be late like yesterday. Yesterday I got late because Neelam's mummy was showing me her new dress. It won't happen today. It's okay, dear. But you could have called me and informed me that you will be coming late. See, I just want you to take care of yourself and understand people around you. You know, there are two types of people in this world, good people and bad people. We can't tell anyone by looking at their face how they are. And that's why we are supposed to use our brain and also our senses. And this sense is very strong in females. We can also tell by someone's touch that what their intentions are. How is that? Amay? Come here, dear. You also understand this? Let me explain. Like your family, your friends who are cared and concerned about you. So when you meet them, how do they greet you? Like this. Correct? Which is alright. But if somebody touches you in a different manner in which you are not very comfortable, then at that moment, whichever person is close to you, whom you really know, you trust, should be informed immediately. For example, your mummy, papa, your school teacher, principal, or whosoever is your close and dear friend. And for the personal safety, you need to do that immediately.
And yes, whenever someone outside gives you something to eat like chocolate or toffee, or gives you anything else to eat, then don't even dare to eat that. And you will never give any information about yourself or your family. Whenever you both go outside to play, always stay in a group. Because anyone can harm you when you're alone. And when we are aware about you guys, like where are you, what are you doing, likewise you should also be knowing that where are your parents all the time.
Mummy, can I go now? I'm getting late. Yes, go. Go, but come back early. Okay, bye.
Amay, did you complete your homework?
I'm just about to finish.
Come on, I want to see it. Show.
We should always teach our children nicely about good touch and bad touch because it is a very sensitive issue and children should understand it completely. Well, identifying your children from the behavior of outside people is your responsibility so that they can save themselves from any kind of mental or physical harm. One thing is very important for children to take care of is that if they are getting late or if their mobile phone is about to switch off, then they must share their current location to their parents or guardians. Children should be very careful about not sharing their current location every time on social media because anyone can take advantage of that and can cause harm to you.
Amay, I'm going to my friend's house. He's not feeling well and nobody is there at his place. So I'll take him to the doctor and come back, okay?
Which friend?
Arman.
Didi, is it safe to go to somebody's house like this?
If someone is sick, then we must help them, right? And if it was not safe, then why would he provide me with his parents' contact number and address?
Yes, but Didi,
You don't worry. I'll come back. His house is nearby, okay?
Pratibha? Pratibha?
Papa, Mummy has gone to the market.
And where is Divya?
Didi has gone to a friend's house. Her friend is not keeping well.
Who, Neelam?
No, Arman. He's her friend on Friendbook.
Friendbook? Does she have an account on Friendbook?
Yes.
Arman. Two. The number you're trying to call is switched off. The mobile is switched off.
Actually, Arman.
Yes, yes. Please come in. I'll call him.
But Arman told me that he's alone at home. But if this man is here, then why did Arman call me?
Come, at least come inside. I will call him.
We can even tell by the touch of a person what his intentions are.
Come. Why are you getting so scared? Come inside. Yes. Come, where are you going? Stop! Come back! Come back! Don't run!
Papa, please save me.
What were you doing to my daughter? Tell me!
Papa had come here to help Arman. But this man forcefully held my hand.
Where is Arman? Tell me! Who are you?
Arman? There is no Arman.
What?
I pretended to be Arman to call her here.
What happened, sir? This man is a fraud.
No.
He bluffed my daughter and called her here. This kind of people should be handed over to the police. Come on, take him.
No.
Papa. Sorry, Mummy.
But then, you shouldn't have hidden anything from your parents, Divya. You opened an account on Friendbook and didn't even bother to inform us. And when that friend called you, you directly went away. Sweetie, at least you should have called and spoken to your mother or to me and should have informed us. And without even knowing, you just blindly trusted a stranger.
I'm sorry, Papa. My dear, Mom and Dad are here only to protect you.
And we are always going to show you the right path. But to walk on that right path is your responsibility. You will not make such mistake in future, right?
No, mummy.
No worry, my darling. It's okay. Come on. Now smile and show me. Smile, please, dear. Come on. Let's go. Come, my child. Wash your face and let's eat.
Should I tell you one thing?
Tell me.
Many of the times you realize things very late. But this time, whatever you did was at the right time. I am proud of you.
Thank you, Babuji. I'm hearing these words of yours for the first time.
So keep doing this kind of work so that I can praise you every day. Yeah.
There are a lot of people who are using their fake IDs on social media. That's why you should not share your personal information to anyone. And don't go to meet him on his invitation, because it could be very dangerous for your life. If we will be alert, we will be completely safe. You should always remember this.